Over more than a century of careful design and innovation, F.S. Curtis has become the most trusted and dependable leader in the compressed air industry, revolutionizing the air compressor to your growing and ever-changing business. Now, we've gone green. Introducing our newest line of oil-free air compressors, the highly reliable and environmentally friendly Eco Series. The EcoScroll oil-free air compressor series is energy efficient, easy to operate and maintain, and the most quiet and compact model to date. EcoScroll oil-free compressors provide 100% oil-free air for critical applications in industries such as electronics, universities, water aeration, food, and beverage. Our new Eco Series features ecologically conscious oil-free air, quiet, powerful, and energy-efficient operation, smart, user-friendly controller. With our long legacy of superior quality air compressors, the EcoScroll is simple and easy to operate without compromising power and reliability. Today, just as in 1854, F.S. Curtis customers can depend on our products for reliable, long-term service. We understand that quality parts matter, but it is our first mission to provide quality. Real people, real-world products. F.S. Curtis.